I'm mean. I'm green. I stink of rotten fish. I'm Otto. I'm Otto. I'm Otto the Industrial Waste Bin.
It's Fats here from Dust Chicken Gaming. I'm just wanting to really talk about one of the guys in particular that's contributed a lot to Left 4 Dead 2. I've been in contact with him recently to try and get this Otto bin off the ground, so I've given him a donation, and kindly he's doing some work towards Left 4 Dead. This is a guy that's got 600 hours on Left 4 Dead and 44 of 70 achievements. He's a you can see me there on his friend list. He seems to be quite a nice guy. He has done a total of 34 submissions to the workshop for Left 4 Dead 2. And some of these ones that he's been involved in is the Cheyenne Mountain Complex, Stargate, Let's Build the Finale, Captain America Shields, Thor's Hammer, the USG Valor, the Lego Sword, the Christmas baubles, the candy game pipe bombs. But the best is yet to come. Trick or treat bags, gas cans for Halloween, a cornfield bonfire, the candy bag incendiary ammo, the candy bag explosive ammo, the Wicked Witch of the Dead, the Wicked Witch of the West, as in the Wizard of Oz movie, pumpkin selections, ghost pain indicator, candy corns pills, so skeletons for the common infected. This is a really good idea, but especially for Halloween. But in general, it's fucking pretty good too. Pumpkin ammo, Team Fortress Halloween theme, the EMR 7 rifle. Bloodwater, you bloody blood man, extraction point, Jerusalem Southwest gates, the toilets. This is one of the most spectacular fucking things. The toilets. I love the toilets. I play with them a few times. It fucking cracks me up. A toilet just holding a machine gun in air, and then you go into a room full of toilets, and it's just like toilets everywhere, man. It's pretty fucking awesome playing as toilets. Pumpkin flashlight, the stabber adrenaline like a knife, slasher cricket bat. Is that one of those anime movies? Sandpit enhanced edition Left 4 Dead. Is that with Woody? Lego sword. Palmasco. Helm's Deep Reborn, that's pretty cool. This guy isn't contributed or not, but I mean, for me, he'll be remembered as the guy who made toilets come to life. That's my favourite mod in the game is the toilets. Nothing made me laugh as much as the toilets. So let's go back to his profile. Recently, I don't make mods or maps because I keep updating my older content. He's updating the Starport campaign. If you find any bugs, so he's really sort of not usually making mods, but he's sort of come out and he's asked me to do this mod with him. It's really pretty cool. He's recently showed me a thing in his workshop of the bin, and I swear I could not tell which bin it was a charge. It's going to be a charger, and I think he's going to do it as a tank as well. So this is spectacular. I cannot wait for the bin to come to life. It'll be so fucking awesome. Anyway, Sorry to get excited, but that's this is all about the Otto green bin. I want to make the Otto green bin in the game. I want the Otto green bin to come out of nowhere and fucking take people out. And you say, oh, there's a bin, and all of a sudden the bin is on you, or the bin is beating you to a fucking pulp. This is what I want. So anyway, I mean, it would be awesome. Maybe one day the bin can be you can be a bin. You know, who knows? Be the bin. But at the moment, the aim is the bin as a tank and the charger. Peace. Okay, this is some of the master's work. You can't really tell which bin. I think it's that bin. There's a charger, but which bin is the charger? I mean, holy shit! You know, they look like bins to me. I would figure that bin is. I thought that bin there would be the charger, but you know what? I bet you it's going to turn out it's that bin. Anyway, it's going to be so fucking spectacular when he finally gets this up and going.